Hey, namaste guys, Chopra here, and I welcome you in a new video of Speak Tech. And today we'll be unboxing the Boult Audio X1 earphones. So let's begin. The box comes in a white and grey color, and according to the box it has extra bass and it also has built-in micro woofers. The earphones also come with a 1-year warranty. Now talking about the accessories, the earphones offer a range of accessories, that they give us a different sizes of silicone ear tips. So they come in small, large, and the medium ones are actually on the earphones. Then they also come with 3 different sizes of ear loops. These are there so that the earphones fit perfectly into your ear and you can use them while working out. Now talking about the main earphones, the earphones fit perfectly into my ear. Now let's test their sound.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now.
So, as the box suggests that it has 3D deep bass, and I totally agree with it because the sound quality is awesome. Now talking about some other features, using the earphones you can also reject and answer calls, and it also has a built-in microphone. The body is made up of an alloy of aluminium which is very lightweight. So guys, if you want to buy these earphones, then the link is in the description below, and now there's an offer going on Amazon, so the price has reduced to 329 INR. So if you want to buy them, the link is in the description. So bye guys for now. I hope you like this unboxing video. I'll catch you in the next techie video.